Okay, welcome to this video on the 2017 Ordinary Level Section C1 question. Alright, now, if you're doing this and you get it done, think it's a bit easy, you can always go over to it and do the higher level one as an extra challenge. Now remember, alright, this video is here to help, but if you have some idea how to do the question after watching a couple of minutes of the video, pause the video, go ahead and do it, and then check if you're right, because you want it. The video is a crutch, but eventually you want to take the crutches away from you. Or you think of them as like stabilizers on a bike, because you have to be able to think on this on your own. Right, the accompanying map located on the back of Section A, back page of Section A, shows ground contours at 5 meter vertical intervals. On the drawing supplied, draw a vertical section profile along the line AB. So what that means is we're going to slice through the mountain. Okay, now this is going to be a funny mountain to you. Alright, I have a vapor diffuser from the project. Right, slice through the mountain, cut straight down it, and see what the profile of it looks. That is the objective of a vertical section. Part B, points C, D and E are outcrop points on the surface of a stratum of ore. Draw the plan and elevation of the triangle CDE. And part C, determine the strike and dip of the stratum. So we'll start with A, and we'll do the rest obviously as we're done. Alright, this is the space we can use for our elevation. The lowest contour is at 35. The scale is 1:1000. So you want to work this out now. Alright, so 1 meter in real life equals 1,000 millimeters. Right, so 5 meters equals 5,000 millimeters. And the scale is 1:1000. Okay, so we divide 5,000 by 1,000 and we get 5. Alright, so 5 meters equals 5 millimeters, or 1 meter equals 1 millimeter on our sheet. Alright, because of that scale there. If the scale is 1:500, it'll be different. Right, so this is the area we're going to do the vertical profile. Right, so I'm going to mark contour lines every 5 apart. Okay. So these are every 5 with my set square, or along my set square. Okay, I'll just do them left-handed, every 5. Okay, light lines across now. Right. I'm going to move my visualizer. Okay. Once we have that done, alright, what we can do, right, where line AB pierces the contours, you bring them back to their relevant heights. So you do. Okay, A is at 40. Mark all the lines here. This is at 35, 35, 40, 45. You don't have to mark these if you don't want to. And so on and so forth. So I'm going to pause the video and do that. Now, there's the marks in. Now from where the line intersects each of the contour marks, okay, bring them up into your vertical elevation. Right, so straight lines up. from each of the contour marks. Right, so I'm going to pause the video and do that. Okay, so I've done that now. Alright, you're going to mark your contour heights now. This can be 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 60, 65, 70, and I don't think it goes beyond 70 for the vertical profile, no. It does go up to 80 here, but over here it doesn't. Right, so bring the points to their corresponding height. For example, A is on 40, so A goes to 40 here. This one is on 35, so we bring it to 35. Okay, and so on and so forth. $45, $50, $45, $45, $50, $55. Oh, my bad. Skipped a number there. You know, maths is failing me. Right, I'm just going to rub them points out, rechange my labels there, and we go again at it.